Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your Realme Narzo 50A Prime. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and we'll need to start searching for an app. Here write the Google Classroom and select this app. Now press install. And after our installation process is complete, we can open the app, get started, select the account you want to log into the classroom with, or add another one. So I'm just gonna pick that one and press OK. Now in order to join the class, we'll need to press on this plus button and then join the class. Here enter the class code which you should be provided with to join the class, and then press join. After that, you will be inside a classroom and the app should work normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.